everybody, I just thought I'd pop on to say hello and just show you what I've been up to. I've put a lot of my tags in this folder that it was like an ephemera folder that I made years ago out of plastic CD cases, because, you know, like these, because I ordered the wrong ones. I meant to order paper ones and ended up with the plastic ones. So of course I actually wanted to use them up. Actually, I'm getting there. So this took up quite a few. But again, there's a video on this, how I made it. There's maybe last year, early part of last year, I can't remember. Okay, and this wallpaper. So it's just, I keep all my bits of ephemera in. So I took all that out and put the tags in here. But to be honest, they're too big for it. So I shall think of something else for now until they're all done, because I'll need a few of these, wouldn't I? Yeah, so that's how I displayed them, because you have 3 CD cases all tiered up, and you can get quite a lot, because you can get the inside and you can get in between as well, which is really great. So all those you've seen. The new ones are there, I think. Yeah, I don't think you've seen these here, the pocket ones. I've showed pictures. No pockets. No pockets. Yeah, showed pictures, but I haven't done a tutorial on these. I will make some more of these, so I will do one then. Sorry, I haven't been very well the last couple of days. My vertigo's been quite bad and I'm a bit shaky. It's really funny. I sort of like I don't feel right videoing, if you know what I mean. And also when I get like that, I can't talk properly for some reason. So you have to excuse me. But I thought I'd just come on and show you these. Okay. And there's a little specimen one there. It's really funny because I'd done this one at exactly the same time Tracie was doing her circle ones. But it's only, I didn't do the whole kit like that. It was just that one there. And I thought that lent itself so nicely. That bit of fabric there and the hole punch. And those were taken out of just a little book. Yeah. And that's 2 tags I've used to do that. And folded it down and cut. It sort of works out if you fold it and you can see where to cut. So you get your little triangle, and then I just matted a bit of paper on that. So that's that one. And that's what I mean about because I haven't backed all of them, but that's what I do. I just sort of paint it with burnt umber, and then I put a little bit of gold gilding wax on it, or copper, or whatever. Let me see that. Sorry, I can't see so I'm looking into the iPad and it's just sun, so hopefully you can see that. All right, so that was that one. Oh, and these are quite nice. This was the necklace I got, so I just wrapped some wire around that one like I showed the other day. And I love them because they're actually semi-precious, because you can tell, because it was like really cold, the bracelet. And it's sort of like, you know it's a semi-precious gemstone, if you know what I mean. Agate, do you know, I really can't remember any of the names. It's so bad. It used to be quite good. Oh, and I don't know whether I showed in a video, but I had something left over. And I just grouped it all up and just stitched over it, and that's gone on there. So, a coffee stain in the back of that one. Oh, it was being good that day. And there's another one here. So again, easy to make a pocket for them. And you can also use 2 of these tags and then cut it down there and make your pocket, or tear it. So that's just a bit of vellum. Kept that one quite simple because of the vellum. The vellum says a lot, and I actually really like the design of this one, so I sort of kept it as is. I went back that one. Oh yeah, seagulls are noisy today. And then there's another one there. That was 2 tags again. well, 3 actually, if you count this one. This is 2 tags again, and so that's that one. And this one you do get 2 the same size, and then fold that down. I stitch that and then mount it, because it will be plain on that, you know, plain on that side because it's white. See? And you just mount it with some paper and cut that one. Simple as well, really. Yes, you've got the tag and that on there, and I just think that's great. And then that's got another one of these little tiny semi-precious, well, I don't know what it's called, sorry. This one, I don't know, I might have showed you this one. Oh gosh, I can't remember. I'm sorry if I did. I might have done. Okay, because I think that's the 3 I'd done yesterday, and that I think was the day before. Okay, that one I just ended up, I don't know, it was the end of the day, and I was working on my journal, and I had a few bits that were staring at me. So I put them in a tag and just done a quickie and back that one. Okay, that's that one. Yeah, I think you've seen that one. And then today I've made a little thing, like a tag, like I do my other things, you know, the concertina ones that I've done from originally from the, oh, what's it, Studio magazine, isn't it? Somerset Studio. So yeah, the idea came from that with the skinny ones, and then I just, you know, I've seen these done before anyway. Years ago they used to do like little tag books, didn't they? So nothing new, but I thought I would do that. Okay, so and then it goes like that. And then that's the back. So I thought it was something, little novel to put in a, you know, slip in a journal. So I like it. I thought this was just something a little tiny bit different. I'm just doing a tag today, so okay, and then there. Okay, I hope you like that. And this is what I'm working on as well. I've all but finished really. So yeah, look at it, lovely. I stitched it in, so I've been playing with that in between other things when I feel okay. Okay, right, well, thank you very much for watching then. Hopefully it'll pass soon, and I shall keep doing the tags. It's suiting me at the moment, and just playing when I can. Okay, thank you then. Bye.